Keith, this question is going to get more urgent as the hours drag by. When are we going to see some blue sky again?
You're not going to like the answer to this, Rob, because I'm having to think about it for a second here. Consistently, Sunday. Yeah. See, you asked, and now sometimes it's not the answer I want to give you. We've got showers out there in the mid-coast right now, and Rob's right. I mean, it's been quite gloomy. We had a couple of peaks of sun here and there on Christmas Day in a couple of spots, but since then it's been clouded up, and that's part of this big upper level low that's been hanging around. You look to the south and west, doesn't look a lot better back through Pennsylvania and upstate New York. This is our night and our day tomorrow. A coastal low is going to develop. A lot of that low will miss to our south, but there'll still be moisture thrown back to the northwest. So tonight we'll see fog, dense fog, I think, along the coastline, reduced visibility under a quarter of a mile at times. And then off and on showers, heavier stuff in down East Maine back to Waterville and to Rangeley as well. And then tomorrow morning, we start to build that rain in from southwest to northeast. We may start dry and cloudy, but it ends up rainy. There's that low. See, the low itself misses us. Doesn't do us a lot of good, though, because a lot of that moisture comes back around and gives us rain with a little bit of freezing drizzle eventually by late Thursday night and into Friday as cold air comes down from the north. This same low kind of sits around for several days. So Saturday afternoon, we're still dealing with rain and snow showers essentially from this same low pressure system, and then we do clear out for New Year's Eve day and New Year's itself. So rain starts to build in tomorrow mid-morning into the afternoon. Heaviest from Bangor south, really heaviest down into southern coastal Maine, where it may end up being a decent amount of total rain between a ½ inch and 3/4 of an inch. And then cold air starts to seep into this system tomorrow night into Friday. Initially, that could cause some problems for some freezing drizzle because the temperature profile won't be all the way cold. So we could see freezing drizzle north of Bangor especially. We do eventually change over to periods of snow Friday afternoon through Friday night, and that continues off and on at least through the day on Saturday. And you can see the snow stays away from the coastline, but the mountains and foothills could see several inches. So we're thinking 1 to 3 inches. This is from Thursday night through Saturday, so it takes a while to kind of get here. 3 to 5 inches across northern Maine. There could be a couple of mountain locations certainly that pick up 3 to 5. Coatings in the shaded white, and then along the coast I think we stay mostly rain or do not accumulate at the very least. A lot of years you wouldn't even bother making a map for that, but we haven't had all that much snow lately. Finally, the sun that Rob has been asking for comes in on Sunday. Looks good Monday and Tuesday. Temperatures are cooler though. New Year's Eve early look right now looks about what you'd expect New Year's Eve to be. We'll probably be in the 30s most of the night. Very late in the evening, early on Monday morning, it will be in the 20s. Not a brutally cold New Year's Eve as we sometimes have. But guys, this low really just kind of hangs around for the next couple of days.
All right. Thank you, Keith.